Assalamualaikum. Welcome back children for the part 2 social science class topic Harappan civilization. So now let us study about the public buildings. The public buildings are nothing but the granaries, and the Mohenjo-daro it used to study about the big halls. It is being called as assembly halls. Who gave that one study? It is been by historians where they have been studied. Now, after studying to that, the next topic let us come here called the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. It is also known as the ritual bath of Mohenjo-daro. And this Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro, it has been very big, rectangular shape. Mohenjo-daro, the Great Bath, it used to have only when they have the rituals, when they have the ceremonies, that time it used to take place, and it used to consist of an outlet of drainage water. The used water, it used to pass it by drainage. Again, it used to be filled up by fresh water. Which one? Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. The Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro, opposite to that, there are number of rooms situated. They are very big rooms around the Great Bath here. So now after the Great Bath, now let us go to the drainage system. How the drainage system was being in Harappan or Mohenjo-daro civilization. The drainage system there, they used to carry the water outside. The drain, used water, they used to carry through pipeline outside here. And the bathroom, kitchen, courtyard, it's been connected to the drainage system here. And the streets have been located into very big. As in previous I told you here, it used to connect from west to east and from north to south. It has been in form of, in the sense here, right angle, bisecting in form of right angle sides here. So here the drainage system, where every house used to have a bathroom, and in that they used to have one big well. And they used to have a specially maintenance of cleanliness and hygiene. They have been very aware of cleanliness. And these people, those have been working here in this, and those time they used to have, imagine now we have the electric system, gadgets, everything. Those time only the people used to bake the food. That's being called oven. In those time here, they used to bake the bread in oven here. And later here, the houses which had been belonging to the drainage system here, the merchants used to be in well enough. Common people used to have a very good settled life here. The merchants and traders also live in city. So they have been specialized in that Mohenjo-daro, where opposite to the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Now, let us come here to the next life of the people. How the life of the people used to be there. Food, dress, what type of food? They used to cultivate, they used to consume wheat, rice, barley, vegetables, meat and fish. This is the main food of the people here. And also they used to have the fruits. They have been very fond of bananas and pomegranates. And what is the dressing sense here? They used to weave only cotton cloth here. Means muslin cloth we can say, or you can say as cotton. Cotton is the main thing there. So they used to have the weaving of cotton cloth. Both men and women have been fond of wearing ornaments here. What type of ornaments they used to wear? Necklaces, rings, earrings and bracelets. And the men's have been very fond of wearing amulets. Okay, single. And in this, the rich people are being used to have the speciality of wearing the ornaments like gold, silver and ivory. Poor people were not able to have this, so they used to wear copper, bones and burnt clay. So this has been for poor people. Now, after having to this dress sense here, now let us move to the next called amusements and toys. What is this amusements and toys? Now we have the amusement parks and everything where we get holiday. We used to have the rides here. But in those time, amusements and rides where the people used to have, they used to spend their time by making toy clay crafts, and whistles also been discovered during that time here. And after that, occupations and crafts. Okay children? Occupations and craft. What was the main occupation in those days for the people? Agriculture, cultivation of crops. But now we see occupations are in different way here. Agriculture, they are very busy in cultivating crop and domesticate animals like oxen, buffaloes, sheep and pigs. And the pet animals used to have cats and dogs. Okay, follow children. Now after learning to that, now let us come here to the next called trade. Okay, what is this trade here? So to earn a life here, they used to move from one place to another place, exchanging of one product here. That's been called barter system. So trade, so where they used to bring the gold was being brought from Karnataka, where it was being worn only by rich people. They used to make different type of ornaments. Then comes here for copper from Rajasthan and Oman in West Asia. Tin, blue, gemstone and lapis lazuli from Afghanistan. So this has been a main value during their timing here. Next comes here religion. What type of religion they used to follow? According to the inscriptions, okay, where the people used to write the inscription on pillars, stones and many more things here. It has been said by the historians here that Pashupati seal was been found in Harappa, and also terracotta horns. This also been found in a place called Bhirrana. Okay, you have the picture of the horns in page number 20. Now, they used to have, even they used to be Pashupati, the Shiva Pashupati, the main, they used to worship the mother goddesses, and the sacred in the sense here, they used to worship a people tree and bull also. Later, these people, Harappan people, they used to think life after death here. Harappan people, they used to bury their dead body, but some, they used to have cremated the dead bodies here. Okay. By putting all the useful things that they used to think after the death, a man is going to have a life here. So, what all the things he used to leave, they used to bury inside after the person is been dead here. Next comes seals and script here. It has been found in Mohenjo-daro. Number of seals are made from clay, stone have been found here. They have been very flat like this flat and rectangular shape that has been in Harappan civilization, and in that they have been, for the historians also discovered seals and scripts in form of pictograph here, which has been given their information. And later, after having, the historians have been studied to so many things about the Harappan civilization, Mohenjo-daro, it was been a downfall of Indus Valley. How it became a downfall here? Where they were living? They were living to the Indus, and that's been called the natural. Then they used to suffer the problem called floods. Floods are the main where they have been living the life near the Indus River, so completely got ruined. And number of these people, Indus Valley civilization completely got destroyed by floods and earthquakes here, disappearance, and also led to epidemics and here. And we have been studying the whole information of the Harappan civilization here from the part 1 and part 2. And here children, after this topic, after hearing to this topic, go through the lesson, see the pictures, and you can collect more information on this. Okay? If you have any, if you have not been followed, take one paper, write down your doubts, and you can forward it. Okay? Thank you.